Hi, I'm Congressman Jerry Connolly, and I wanted to talk to you today about the 8th annual Mega Job Fair coming up on March 24th. It's grown every year. We now have about 50 companies that participate, 2,500 participants and attendees, and it's a great opportunity to sort of match personal skill set with job opportunities. Last year we had 200 people who actually got jobs at the job fair, which is a very high number as these things go. So I think it's a real worthwhile thing to attend if you're looking for a new job opportunity or even the chance to sort of upgrade your skill set.
I've had the opportunity to attend the job fair during the past couple of years. It is an absolutely wonderful opportunity for folks to come, anyone who is interested in employment, anyone who is underemployed, people who are interested in maybe changing from what they're doing to something else, and it's a chance for industry to come and share information about career paths and jobs that are available within the area. It also is a chance to network, to see what's going on, and sometimes you end up on a different career path than something that you had done before, and find out that it's the best thing that ever happened to you.